Good, my people, back again with another video. Just before I get into this one, as always, I'd like to request every single person watching to like, comment, share, subscribe. Let me know what you think of all the content. Let me know what you think of every video. If you've got recommendations, please recommend. And yeah, watch every video, literally every video. Like, comment, all that good stuff. Today I'm going to be showing everyone that brands and price does not really matter. So I've kind of changed the way I dress in a way. I started to wear overshirts. I think overshirts are amazing. You know, they look good on a lot of different things, a lot of different outfits. I need to start actually recording the outfits so you can see how they put together. This on its own, people might not like it, but it's, you know, when it's on the outfit together, 10/10, I'll be real, man. It's so nice worn. So this is a Jack and Jones overshirt in black and grey. The reasons I folded this back a bit is because they are slightly long for me. You know, I don't like sleeves too long, and I don't know why I find overshirts always sleeves slightly long for me, man. So yeah, it was folded one back, which seems to always do the trick. So literally one back, and sometimes it can be slightly, you know, you can style it out to make it look like you did that on purpose and your arms are not too short. So we've got, it's literally popper buttons on here, popper buttons all literally all up. Then we've got two pockets. We've got that collar, nice collar. To be honest, I just wear this open with a white t-shirt underneath. The brand, obviously, you can see Jack and Jones Originals, size large. What's funny is I don't really wear this brand. I haven't probably before. I don't think I have, but it's so nice. You know, the product, brand doesn't matter here, man. You can't talk to me about brand matters. Brand matters, brand doesn't. So that's the name of it. So it's called Jawbane Jacket Black, NOOS, black check. The style number's there, so if you want to check, it's 12204201. And then it's got a little notice, so mixed fabric blends. The look of this garment is created from a fabric in mixed composition. During use, you might experience some natural surface changes over time. Care for your garment to prolong its durability. I'll be real, I'll just be wearing it, man. What can I say? But yeah, very nice. Brand does not matter. I'll be honest, I've seen some designer brands that have these similar things. This cost me around 40 quid. Designer brands go in the hundreds. And trust me, like, I wear it with expensive stuff. It looks good, man. Or I don't wear it at the moment, but I will do. If anyone cares about the composition, it is 90% polyester and 10% acrylic. So it's definitely not wool, but it does have like a wool type feeling. The fitting's very nice. I did try it on. The way I'll style it, really and truly, black jeans or grey jeans, like dark grey. Black or white trainers. So I got the Louboutins on the bottom, and then a white t-shirt under this, and then this on top. Simple outfit, but it looks good. I tried it on, trust me, man, it looks good. But I need to start, you know, showing everyone the outfits. So hopefully soon I'll get some time to start actually recording that, showing all the outfits, the breakdown, and hopefully, you know, I don't get cussed out for my style or the way I dress. But yeah, people, let me know what you think about this. Let me know if you want one, if you're going to get one. Make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe. And take care, my people.